splash the water higher! This is so fun! Look at my duck bathtub! I will spray you now!
Oh no! Why is the pipe still open? Kids, don't waste water!
But Mom, we are only playing.
Water is very important.
Sorry, Mom.
Please close the pipe now.
I am brushing my teeth. Your tap is still open. Emma, close the tap while brushing.
That sounds hard. Open it only when you rinse.
Okay, I will try. Look, Emma, I can do it fast.
Wow, good job! Small habits save a lot of water.
I understand now. I am washing this apple. Why is the water running so long? I like playing with the water.
Tom, that wastes water.
The apple is already clean. Okay, I will close it.
Good children save water. I want to help too.
I want to wash my toy car. Turn the hose on.
Use a bucket instead.
Why, Mom?
Buckets use less water.
That is smart. The car still looks clean. And we saved water.
Very good, kids.
We are learning. I am taking a long shower. You have been inside forever.
Tom, quick showers save water. Ugh, but warm water feels nice. 5 minutes is enough. Okay, Mom.
I finished my shower fast. I will try tomorrow. Dad left the garden hose open.
Oh, no!
Water is spilling everywhere.
Thanks for telling me.
Even adults forget sometimes.
That is true. The sink is dripping. Drip, drip, drip.
That leak wastes water, too. We should fix it.
I want cold water.
Don't throw the extra water away. Use it for the plants. That is a good idea.
The flowers look happy. They love water, too.
Who saves water at home?
Me! Me too!
Wonderful. Why is water important?
People, animals, and plants need it. We should never waste it.
Excellent answer.
Saving water is easy now. Yes, it became a habit.
Small actions change the world.
Exactly. We will save water every day. Dear listeners, water is life. That's right. Please don't waste water. Dear listeners, if you liked our effort, please hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Bye-bye, dear listeners. Have a nice day.
See you in the next episode.